Alright, hello and welcome back to part 2 of the YFZ top end teardown and rebuild. Today we're going to get that cylinder head, the cylinder, the piston out, and look at what we got going on. Little man's ready to help. Let's get this started. Alright, to get the cam tires off, or cam caps, 8mm, we're going to get this down. Okay, leave it there. Alright, now that we got this started, first things first, pull your 2 timing caps off here and get this motor in time, top to bottom. Just makes it easier for teardown. Let's get to work. Here we are, top dead center. Got your timing marks here and here, lined up at the top of the head. Hang on, Bubba. Let's see how we can get in here. Well, there you can get a hint of it from this angle. It is in line there though.
Is it key?
That little line there on the flywheel. Get it lined up
How is it
with the small notch right here. The 2 outside marks. Yeah, quiet. Shh, quiet. Get the 2 outside marks here and here lined up with the top of the head. Now that we've got it top dead center, we're going to pull our bolts for our cam caps and loosen our cam chain tensioner. And we'll get back with you then. taking those cam towers off, let this thing readjust. Watch out for these little circlips that will pop out and fall down inside of your motor. So if you're doing the cam mod, watch out for those dudes. I don't notice any crazy wear on the caps here. I mean, there might be something going on right here, but on the intake cam here, as you can see, that is all metal on a bearing surface. Or not a bearing surface, but a clearance area. So good thing is we got it out of here. Got into it before something really went down. Anyways, now that you're also here, should show you something else. Your cam chain should not be stiff. This thing should willingly just fall down on the motor, not stand up at attention like that. So definitely keep that in mind. I'm gonna go inside for a little bit here and come back out in a few minutes, but we'll take these two loose. These two loose. Get the oil bolt here and the banjo bolt loose, oil line. Kind of peel it back a little bit. And then we'll take these two, I believe, 10s. Yeah, two 10mm nuts off. Right here and right here. Cylinder head will pop right off. Then that is all it's holding the cylinder on, if I remember correctly. Alright, so to get the cylinder off, all I did was this one little 8mm nut here. Slid right off. Easy peasy. Look at the wear hole in that sucker.
No?
That is the full width of my finger almost. Where that timing chain has wore. Pretty crazy. Alright, we're pretty much done with tear down now. Only thing left would be to take the piston off that we could really do right now, but I'm just going to stuff some paper towels in the motor there, keep anything from getting down in it,
Okay.
and roll the piston to where it'll push down on them a little bit. And that's pretty much where it's going to set for a while. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.